In this exercise, we're using our elastic as our resistance and getting ourselves to a palm up position. This will allow our shoulder to stay externally rotated and make sure that we're not feeling the front of the shoulder / the neck. Grabbing it nice and low, right around the ankle, to make sure that we're getting enough tension from the start. We're going to have a step back with the back foot so that you have lots of space to travel backwards and get your elbow touching your thigh. Breath out as you pull, breathe in as you release. Now the upper body stays quite put while the shoulder rocks back. You can press a little bit into the hand of the thigh to get a bit of a twist in the upper back as you pull. The last thing we want to do is full rotation of the spine, as it's going to not allow that lat to build up tension. Again, looking for the lat tension here, bit of the biceps as we're in this open palm position as we pull. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.